We found unusual option activity on Starbucks stock, ticker symbol SBUX, on the last trading day, December 27th. And so in this video, we will analyze this unusual option activity to find out if wealthy investors are bullish on Starbucks and buying, or bearish and selling, so that we can also trade in the same direction to make money while the rich are getting richer on Wall Street. Because as we all know, the rich have more access to information, including leaked insider information, to make better financial decisions. No wonder the rich get richer. So without further ado, let's dive into our analysis. As we can see here, on the last trading day, Starbucks actually had a green day. It was up, while the market was down on a red day. So it is showing good relative strength in comparison to the overall markets. And if we pull a Fibonacci retracement from its 52-week low over here, back on July, to its 52-week high from last month, we can see that the stock bounced up right over here at the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. So on a technical basis, it is showing that it found some strong support here. But let's find out if wealthy investors are buying or selling Starbucks, because the more data that we have, the higher chance of profit the trade will become. And so if we take a look at the data from the options time and sales tape on the last trading day, what you'll notice is that there's not that much significance here for December 27th. However, we dive deeper into the data and we found that for the February 7th options, there was something unusual going on. You can see here that about 12:25, these February 7th options at the 94 strike calls were being traded for a price of $3.75 each. And how many contracts were being traded? Well, let's take a deeper look at the option chain. We can see for these February 7th options, there was a total of 3,845 contracts being traded at the volume for these 94 strike calls. And so if we estimate the total trade cost, where they paid about $375 each, we can see that $375 times the number of contracts, 3,845, we have a total trade cost of about $1.4 million. But just because this is a $1.4 million, that does not automatically make it a higher probability of profit trade in comparison to the trades that we share on our website. There's other data that we have to analyze that takes a lot more time than we have in this video. So keep in mind, not all of these unusual trades will be profitable. Even this one might be a loss. But as long as we diversify with higher quality stock picks based on this type of data analysis, then we can become more profitable in the long term. So if you want more stocks wealthy investors are trading for your portfolio diversification, then go to our website. We'll put a link on the top here where you can gain access to better trade ideas with stronger data analysis than this one here. Now, even though this is not a higher probability of profit trade in comparison to the ones that we share on our website, we still traded this, but we use position sizing to manage our risk without developing an option strategy. You can see here our position over here as well. POS stands for position and green means buy, where we also bought these 94 strike calls to open. And when we analyze this trade, we can see here on the risk profile profit loss graph where the x-axis represents the share price of the stock and the y-axis represents the profit loss. Note the zero break even. And so when the lines are below it, it is a loss. And so Starbucks stock is trading over here at $92. If it goes down, it becomes more negative loss. And if it goes up from there, it becomes more positive gain, because this is a long bullish trade. And we can confirm it on the Greeks. Over here, we have a positive delta trade. If it was a bearish short trade, it would be a negative delta. But be careful if you are trading this, because you can see we have a negative theta. And so as time goes on, these options will decay in value. And that is why this purple line drops down below the zero line towards the blue line, which is representing the option expiration date. in February. And so when we put more capital into our trades, we set up option strategies to reduce our risk, such as this theta here, which is very negative. We have different option strategies that can increase our probability of profit while at the same time picking the stocks that the wealthy investors are trading, which further increases our chance of profit. And so if you want access to those trades and our option strategies or our stop losses, if you only trade stocks, then make sure to go to our website. We'll put a link at the top here. Let us know in the comments below. Do you think SBUX is a buy or a sell? As usual, please smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't, take care, and have a wonderful day.